Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I want to show you how I use cucumber to get rid of puffy eye. If you have a puffy eye, cucumber is able to clear it off in no time. So this is cucumber, which I'm going to show you how I clear off my puffy eye with this cucumber. It is very easy and very simple. So I'm going to need my plate, my knife. So I'm going to divide this cucumber into half. Then I will grate it with my grater. So I'm going to transfer it into my blender. So I'm going to blend. So I finished blending. So now I'm going to take my ice cube pack. So I will transfer it inside. So I'm going to put this inside my freezer. So guys, this is my cucumber ice pack, as you can see. So before I can achieve this, because when you make with the cucumber without bringing out water, it's going to be very difficult to get this ice out from the cucumber, to make it like block this way. So before I can achieve this, I put in my freezer for about 2 to 3 days before I achieve this. So as you can see, you can apply this under your eyes. If you have an ice pack, this is going to clear it off. If you have a dull face, this is going to clear it off. And this cucumber ice can brighten up your skin when you apply it every time. So after you apply this, you need to moisturize your skin, your face, so that it would not dry off your skin. So you need to moisturize your skin after you finish applying. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you and bye.